Hey, what's up guys, welcome to CubixSol YouTube channel. In this video I will teach you how to create this type of cards using HTML and CSS, and we will create this type of hover animation using pure CSS only. So friends, the video is going to be more important, and before start please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's start. So friends, first of all you can see that I have two files, index.html and style.css. In the index.html I will create a basic structure of HTML and type here CSS cards, and next I will link my style.css with this HTML code. Next type here a div dot container. Inside this create another div with class card and type here style color and type this color code. Inside this create another div with class icon, and inside this we have to paste our icon. I'm going to use font awesome icon CDN in this video. To add the font awesome CDN, just type here font awesome CDN and click on the first website. The website name is cdnjs.com, and scroll up. Here you will see the first link and click on this copy link tag and paste this inside your head section. Now we can use the font awesome icons. So I will type here class like FAS FA box open. So you can see the output. Here I have icon in my output. Next, outside this create another div with class description. Type here h3 product p, and I'm going to type here some lorem ipsum paragraph. Next type here a and read more. Next copy this card class and paste this class here and here again. And in the second card, first of all we have to change this color code like this 5b, change this color code, and also we have to change the icon like FA truck, and we have to change this title as well like delivery. And next change this third card color code like EB5A E5. Type this color code and I will type here FA user, and I'm going to give title to this card like customer. Next we have to open the style.css, and here type star padding 0, margin 0, and box sizing border box. Next copy this body element and paste this element here, and then type display flex, align item center, justify content center, minimum height 100 VH, and background color this color code. So basically these four properties will put our this container class, this div, exactly at the center position of our screen. Next copy this container class and paste this class here and type display flex, justify content center, align item center, flex wrap and gap 40 pixel. So basically what this flex wrap property will do, first of all I will remove this property. You can see that our cards are aligned in a same line, and if I will paste this property here, so you can see that suppose you have 300 pixel width of your card and 700 pixel width of your viewport or maybe a tablet. What will happen? This property will display two cards in the first row and the second card in the second row, but without property it will not happen. Next copy this card class and paste this class here and type width 300 pixel, height auto, display flex, justify content center, and flex direction column. Background color, type this color code, padding 60 pixel and 30 pixel, and overflow hidden, and type here position relative. Currently I will comment this overflow hidden property, and later I will tell you that what is the purpose of this property. Next copy this card class and paste this class here, and then copy this icon class and paste this class here, and then type here width 80 pixel, height 80 pixel, border 2 pixel solid, and type here this variable CLR. Basically this variable exists at this position that we were created in our HTML code. And next type here transition 0.5 second is in and out, and display flex, justify content center, and align item center, and box shadow type this value 0 0 0 and 4 pixel, and type this color code. And here we have to type align item center to make your items in the center, and here I have to type 80 pixel. So now you can see that our this icon and its border will look like this. Next copy this card class and paste this class here and type :hover and then type dot icon. It means that what will happen when user will hover over this card, and the style that we will give inside this, that style will implement to this icon class that exists at this position in our HTML. So type here first of all the background color, which will be our this CLR variable, and border 2 pixel solid, type this color code, and box shadow, type here this value. First of all I will type here 20 pixel and then type our this CLR variable, and you can see that the hover animation will look like this. So next, just change this value from 200 pixel to 300 pixel. I mean from 20 pixel to 300 pixel. Now you can see that our hover animation will look like this. And now we have to uncomment this property overflow hidden, so you can see the output. Next, copy this card class and paste this class here, and then copy this icon class and paste here, and then copy this eye element and paste this element here, and type color, our this color code, I mean our this variable, font size 2.5 rem, transition 0.5 second is in and out. So now you can see that our output will look like this. Next, copy this card colon hover and paste this here, and then copy this class and eye element and paste this element here, and type here color, our this color code, so you can see the output. Next, type here our card class, and from our HTML code copy this description class and paste this class here, and type here margin top 30 pixel, text align center, so you can see that our elements are in the center of our this card. Next, copy this description class and paste this class here, and then from our HTML code copy our this h3 element and paste this element here, and type font size 1.5 rem, font weight 500, transition 0.5 is in and out, and color this color code, so you can see the output. Next, we have to implement the hover effect over our this heading. So to do this, first of all I will copy this and paste this here, and before this I have to copy this card colon hover and paste them here, and then type here color, our this color code, font weight 500, so you can see the output. Next, copy this description class, and from our HTML code copy this p element and paste this element here, and then type margin 10 pixel and 0, and color, our this color code. Next, I will copy this and paste this here, and then I have to copy this class and element and paste here, and type here color, this color code, so you can see the output. Next, we have to make this link a button, so type here dot description and p, not p, we have to copy this a element and paste this here, and type position relative, padding 12 pixel and 15 pixel, display inline block, margin 15 pixel and 40 pixel, text decoration none, and color, type this color code, and background color will be our CLR variable. Next, we have to implement the hover effect over our this button. To do this, first of all copy this card colon hover and paste this here, and copy this class and this element and paste them here, and type background color, our this color code, and color will be our this CLR variable. So friends, you can see the output. So we have done with our code. Let me show you in a big screen. I will zoom in it a little bit. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn for more about web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.